In this video, I'll show you how to export data to Excel in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so you can analyze numbers deeper, share reports with your accountant, or keep an offline backup. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right, then look for Export Data. If you don't see it, your user role may not have permission. On the Export Data screen, set the date range first, using presets or a custom start and end date that matches the period you're reviewing, so your totals tie out correctly. Next, choose which reports you want to export, like profit and loss, balance sheet, general ledger, trial balance, or journal, and select only what you need to keep the file manageable. If the option appears, choose cash or accrual, so the export matches how you view your financials in QuickBooks. Click Export to Excel and QuickBooks will download the file. If you picked multiple reports, it may download as a zip with separate spreadsheets inside. Save it with a clear name, open in Excel, enable editing if prompted, then quickly cross-check totals and dates against QuickBooks before sharing. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials that save time and keep your reports accurate.